Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an ESP8266 with Blynk. Blynk offers a fantastic way to control your hardware from anywhere using a smartphone. The ESP8266 is a versatile and affordable microchip with built-in Wi-Fi, making it perfect for EOT projects. We will walk through the entire process, from setting up the Blynk application to programming your ESP8266, ensuring a smooth and successful connection. Let's get started with the first step. First, download the Blynk app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, create a new account or log in. You will then create a new project, giving it a name and selecting the ESP8266 as your chosen device. Blynk will automatically generate and email you a unique authentication token. This token is crucial for connecting your hardware. Finally, populate your project dashboard with widgets like buttons or sliders to interact with your ESP8266. Now, let's prepare your ESP8266. Connect it to your computer using a USB cable. You will need the Arduino IDE installed, along with the ESP8266 board package, which can be found in the board manager. Next, install the Blynk library through the library manager. In your Arduino sketch, you will include the Blynk library, then input your Wi-Fi network's name and password, along with the authentication token received earlier. This code links your board to your Blynk project. With your code ready, select the appropriate ESP8266 board from the Arduino IDE's Tools menu, along with the correct serial port. Then, click the Upload button to flash the sketch onto your ESP8266. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to verify that your ESP8266 successfully connects to your Wi-Fi and the Blynk server. You should see confirmation messages. Finally, open your Blynk app and start interacting with your device through the widgets you configured earlier. Enjoy your new EOT project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.